Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my own facial scrub at home. I'm about to scrub my face because I noticed I have a lot of oil buildup on my face, and also I'm beginning to see some acne and blackheads on my face. So it's time to scrub my face, and I'll be showing you guys how I make my own facial scrub at home. Okay, as you, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm beginning to have some blackheads, so I need to scrub to get rid of them. Okay guys, so let's get right into it, and I will show you the things I use to make my own facial scrub at home. And this facial scrub is very effective. You don't need to do too much. It's super effective. It will help to get rid of the dead skin cells. It will help to clear the oil buildup and also get rid of blackheads. Okay guys, so without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare the body scrub, the first thing you will need is potato. Go ahead and get one potato. If you want to make a larger quantity, then you have to use one full potato. But because I am making the quantity that I will use once, that's why I am using half potato. Okay, so you go ahead and start grating it. Grate it with the smallest size of your grater. If you don't have grater, you can blend it without adding water, or you can add just a little water. So I am using potato because the vitamin C and zinc in potato help to stimulate collagen production, which in turn improves skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. And also the starch in potato also acts as a natural exfoliant, getting rid of dead skin cell and revealing a more youthful, radiant complexion. So potato is good to the skin. This is why I like using potato when preparing my own body scrub. So now I'll go ahead and extract the juice. I will only be making use of the juice. So after extracting the juice, the next thing to add is rice flour. Rice flour is also a very good exfoliant. It helps brighten the skin and helps to reduce oil production. So if you're having oil skin, excessive oil on your face, using rice flour to exfoliate your skin will help to reduce that. It also helps to fight acne and also regulate production of sebum. So rice flour is very good. The next one here is coffee. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of coffee into it. Then the next one is coconut oil. Add coconut oil if you have a very dry skin. It will help to leave your skin so hydrated after exfoliating. Okay, so now you go ahead and mix it. Mix very well. Then you also go ahead and add honey. This honey will help to lock in moisture. Honey will help to help your dark spots to fade away. Honey is also good to the skin. Okay guys, so after adding the honey, now you go ahead and mix it very well. Now let's try it out. So here I have the treatment. I have the facial scrub with me. I'll go ahead and scrub my face with it. And to do that, my face is already washed. Not like wash, I damped my face. First you have to wash your face or damp your face with lukewarm water. Okay, I will go ahead and take this cotton wool. Then I'll focus on those areas I feel like I'm having the oil builds up, but mainly I will do it all over my face. So I'll go ahead and use it to scrub my face. I love using this facial scrub. After scrubbing my face and I wash my face, oh my goodness, the feelings I'll be having. I'll be feeling like a newborn baby on my face. When I touch my face, it will be feeling so soft and smooth. So this treatment helps to get rid of oil buildup. The rice flour in it will serve as an exfoliant, and also it helps to brighten the skin. And the coconut oil in it will help to leave my face well moisturized after washing it out. So if you have oily skin, maybe you should not add coconut oil, okay? But if you have a very dry skin, add coconut oil to it, or Vaseline, or any oil at all, so as not to break out after scrubbing your face. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how I do it. I focus mainly on my nose areas and my jaw area. So that's it. I'll also go ahead and scrub my leaves. So that's it, guys. After scrubbing, I'll go ahead and wash my face again with lukewarm water. Then I'm good, and I'll apply my face cream. So that's it. Did you see? So this is how I make my own facial scrub at home, and this facial scrub is very good. It helps to lighten the skin, it helps to get rid of blackheads, oil builds up, unclog your pores. It helps a lot that after scrubbing your skin with it, you will enjoy your face, you enjoy your skin. You can also use it on your body, not just on the face. You can also use it on the body. Okay, guys? So this is how I use it to scrub my face and my body when necessary. Okay? So please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Right now, I'll go ahead and wash my face with lukewarm water, or better still, I'll take a shower, and after that, I will apply my face cream. Okay? So that is it, guys. I will see you in my next one. For now, bye.